Okay, I was it that well. As I was saying, I don't think it's different. Uh, there's this program that came out on Nintendo Switch yesterday. Technically, yeah, yesterday. It's a little you can program and make your own little game. Uh, it seems very neat and something that seemed cool to learn. I don't know have any prior skills or any relation with programming at all. So this is new to me. So let's see how it goes. I got my keyboard hooked up, so Manguera using Fuze. Did it get stuck again? I swear. Yeah, okay. It's not the best. Menu selection. Press the A on your Joy-Con controller. Enter key on USB keyboard to be taken to code editor. Most of your time with Fuze, this is a place in which you start code. Media, pressing and media. I cannot scroll down, can I? Do I really have to do this with Joy-Con? Why have my keyboard anyway? Okay, yeah, okay, that's just what the functions or what the those settings do. So I don't really need that right now. I want to get into the. I think it's all what it does. Oh wait, there's a command bar? Okay, I need to read this. Selecting the code button from the main menu will take you to the Fuze for Nintendo Switch code editor. It looks like this. Oh, this is some bullshit. Does it affect my... It does. When I use my keyboard, it affects my... It has a little rumble in my Joy-Con. Do I really have to scroll like this? This is gonna get annoying. So I just need my Joy-Con. Having prompts to help you navigate. Press the plus button to run a program. Pressing minus will return you to the main menu. To open keyboard, I'm using keyboard, so I don't really need that. On the bottom of the screen has check display controls on your keyboard. Make sure to check the command bar often if you're not sure how to control Fuze. With the keyboard on screen, moving the left control stick will allow you to select keys to press A and blah blah blah. Pressing the media button on the keyboard is the fast and easy way to use access to media browser if you're looking for assets to use. Similarly, pressing the help button on the screen board will open the in-edit. Okay, that's super more helpful than what I was gonna do. In case you didn't know, you can actually connect USB keyboard, which I'm doing right now. While using USB keyboard, there's a number of very helpful shortcuts. F1 helps open menu. Okay, take you to media. F3. Let me do this real quick. So then I have it forever. I don't have to keep looking for it. Pressing the F2 key will take you to the media browser. Pressing F3 will save your project. Handig. This thing has been crashing here and there, so it's not perfect. Pressing F5 will run your program. This works no matter where you are in Fuze. Oh, so it will run. Okay. Pressing F6 will take you to image editor. F7 will take you to map editor. Pressing this key takes you to the setting, which is F8. F9 is pressing takes you to code editor, which I'm already on. I would be on then. Pressing F10 takes you back to the main menu. Okay, noted. How do I open the command bar? Help button on keyboard. Where the hell is help button? Help, help, help. I need a help button for my help button. Home. Numlink. Page down. Pause break. No idea what that does. There's no help. Anyway, I'll figure it out. Okay, so I was using Fuze, code editor, map editor. Create your own maps for your project. Easy. Open the map editor by going to the tools icon from the main menu from the select map editor, and it's your own first time using Fuze. You'll see the screen shown below. I'm not doing that. Okay, duly noted. There's probably drift, or I'm just spacing. No, seems fine. I can't draw for shit. I hope that's not gonna be a problem. Button will take you to the menu. We have here the details. If you click blah blah blah, new project, the title, order, description. As you can see. Did I move it? Yeah, I did. I'm code editor. How the fuck? It shows map editor. Okay. Oh, I have it upside down. Fucking Joy-Con upside down. For some reason, I won't scroll with my keyboard. There we go. Yeah, I definitely need this because I. Oh, can I really make it bigger? It's actually helpful. No projects and save, blah blah blah. Hello. What we have here are the project details from the default Fuze for program Hello World. If you click on the project, blah blah blah, return main menu from the map editor. As you can see, you can now create your map. This window is where you can see all the blah blah blah. Prompt to enter a new name for your map. Okay, it's basic stuff. Name your map and press the plus button. If you will see a message reading, choose assets to use your map. That's what I showed earlier. I don't know if that came out on the stream or not, but it was like 5 minutes busy, so it wasn't much lost. Man, oh man. Let me see what's popping on Twitch, because I don't want to. There we go. Nope, there's nothing absolutely popping. Whatever. Uh, Now we have the option to go back and keep adding assets. Here you are, blah blah blah. Since you load into your library, you can see one option at the bottom of the screen. If you had more assets loading in the map library, these would appear here. Let's open a tile sheet to begin building. Press A to open a tile sheet. Take a look at the control option in the top left corner of the screen. Pressing the Y button will change the way the tiles snap together. Snapping to objects will allow you to place tiles perfectly next to each other. Snapping to grid will force the tiles into strict grid position, while snapping to none allows for total free placement. The grid option just beneath, okay, that's super handy. Beneath is the size of your grid square, as higher number will allow for more precise grid placement. The mode option just beneath that allows you to change the editing mode. By default, we are in objective mode. Okay, I see. Placing tiles. This means we are simply placing tiles. By pressing the arrows on this box, we can change our edit mode to collision. This will become useful when we actually have a map. So let's make one. The last option to touch on here is just beneath the mode selection by using the up and down direction button. I feel like I should come back to this later and see how the programming works. Yeah, I think I'm gonna come back to this. Okay. Can I not do this in code mode? The fuck is this? What is this? He's super creepy. Why can I not go near him? Can I not jump over that? This is a game I was like showing. It's like they have a bunch of tech demos using the programming, and they have all the codes in it. So I fired it up, but I had to stop the stream. I wish I could program enough to be able to make something like this. As simple as it is. Maybe it's the box. Maybe I can't walk over that box thing. And I died. Anyway. Is there not a way? Oh, I see. We'll call it test. Okay. Can I remove all of this junk? No, that's a lot of codes. CG test nito? Okay, I think this is the point where I start using keyboard, because yeah, bo mama. Why can I not? Oh, there we go. Tab maybe? No, tab is not it. It said help, right? So now I have to find help on keyboard. Maybe I can use the switch? Nope. Nothing is working. Help. Auxilio. mm, it's supposed to, no, but that's, this is a MacBook. God damn it. I don't need a MacBook keyboard. Shift? Where is it on my... No, it's different here also. It's not F1. Why is it always showing like it's next to backspace? Am I missing something? Windows. God damn it. Help key on Windows 10. F1? The more you know. Go tutorial, loops. Run the program with plus or F5 key using your USB keyboard. F5? Okay. That saved it though. Print hello Nintendo update sleep 2. Okay, do I have to print? Can I not hide this? Where's my other button? Oh, there we go. I already kind of forgot. Print. Hello. Oh wait. Sub to. Oh, wait. There we go. Sub to Criollo Gaming. Where is it? Damn you, new keyboard. I had you. Where the fuck is you? Oh, there you go. It's F1. Update sleep 2. Update sleep. I think it's like this. Okay, so how do I run F5? Yeah, there we go. Sub to clear gaming. Okay, F1. We should see our chosen text appear magnificently on screen for 2 seconds. Now let's make Fuze do this over and over again using one of the most important concepts in programming, a loop. For this, we can remove sleep function. Let me open OBS here a sec. Make sure I'm projecting, but not too loud though. We should see. Now let's make Fuze do this over and over again using one of the most important concepts in programming, a loop. For this, we can remove the sleep function because our program will run continuously. We will still need the update though. There we go. We will still need update though because we want our text to appear on the screen. So it's loop, print, update, repeat. I don't know why I'm pressing my mouse. Just F1. I don't know why I did all of that. So it's loop, print, sub to criollo, gaming. Oh wait, fucking idiot. Sub to criollo, gaming, there we go. I'm missing something. It's loop, print. God damn it. Update. And repeat. I think it was. Yes, it was repeat. Let's see. Sub to clear gaming. Sub to clear gaming. Is F5 gonna stop it? Okay, there we go. Loop, print, screen, update. Let's go F1 again. Tutorial. Okay, loops. There we go. I don't know why this program is spacing so much. Okay, there we go. Think of loop like a sandwich. We have top piece of bread, loop, some filling in the middle, and a bottom piece of bread. Repeat. So it's loop, repeat. some filling in the middle, and beat. Without one of the pieces of the bread, our sandwich is no longer a sandwich. Why does it jump so much? What I am saying is, and I can't read it because let me zoom out. Maybe that's why. No, it still jumps so much. It's so weird. It's not like I can set that on the keyboard. What I'm saying is, without loop, repeat will do nothing, and vice versa. And there's an important point when it comes to loop. Take a look below. Loop, print, hello Nintendo, update, repeat, print, what about me? See, the new print function on the line 5, this line will never appear on the screen. Why? When Fuze gets to repeat keyword on line 4, it returns to the last loop keyword. So our program will read line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, etc. forever. Well, not quite. It will run until we tell it to stop. Press. Why is it so jumpy? I should be able to scroll better with keyboard. God damn it. Keep the switch to scroll through text because even that is super. Because I made it big. That is way too small. So can we? Yes, this is much better. Even with keyboard, okay. Until we tell it to stop. Press plus to stop the program and return to editor, or use F5 on keyboard using USB keyboard. Line 5 is not in the loop. To make this line happen too, our program must look like this. Loop, print, hello Nintendo, print, what about me? Update, repeat. So let's do that. Let's enter that, try print, hello world, and let's F5. Yeah. Okay, I see. And now print what should I put? Just anything. Learn coding with Creox. There we go. And there we go. Update. Repeat. And F5. Sub to Criollo, coding with Creox. Sub to Criollo, learn coding with Creox. Yeah. Wow. F1 again. Let's see. kind of cool. It's gonna get super. I feel like it's gonna have like a fucking difficulty spike. But hey, it's fine. You can learn everything. You're not a genius in everything you do. You're not the best in anything you do. You have to be brave and show how much you suck in coding on a stream. Okay, so where did I stay? Nope, that's actually the opposite. Now, yes. Now, the new print line is included inside the loop and is very happy indeed. Okay, let's get some color going in our program. We use the ink function to do this. Ink white, loop print, hello Nintendo print, what about me, update, repeat. We use the name for the color we want, but we can use numbers instead. Every color is stored in a big database, each one with a number. We have 64 colors in total to choose from. This means we can use random selection for our colors. We'll need the random function to I'm just gonna call it function to achieve this. Okay, so ink random 64. Oh, okay, this is a headache. Okay, so it's okay, yeah. Loop print hello blah blah blah. Let's try it. Remove everything. That way it's clockwork. It's gonna stay in my head. Loop. God damn it! I already forgot, didn't I? This is why I needed it. Ink, I think was next. Random was there it's not what I was looking for anyway. Loop blah blah oh no, okay. Only print has the commands. So F1 ink random 64. Oh wait. Random 64. I think this is it. No, it's not. Wait, it is. Random 64. Okay. I think it's good. Print subto criollo print pretty please pretty please Print sub to criollo. Print pretty please. Update. Repeat. I think I nailed it. We'll see. Yay! Okay, that's pretty cool. That is pretty fucking cool. Okay, that's F5? No, did it come out? I think I pressed F4 first. Okay. Next lesson is the brackets might look a little tricky here. Remember, the whole of random 64 must go in the bracket for the ink line. It must look wrong at first, but we must have the same number of the open and close bracket. To change the colors, I pressed up and it went down. Why? Why you do this to me? It might look wrong, blah, blah, blah. To change the colors, you will have to stop and start the program again. A little boring. Let's change that. Loop, ink, random 64, print, hello Nintendo, blah, 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 update me. Now, we've brought the color line into the loop. Can you predict what will happen? I don't get it. Now we've brought the color. It's loop, ink, random 64, print, hello Nintendo. It's the same, right? I think I did it wrong the first time. I have to change loop and ink random. So let's do that first. That was my mistake. Ink random 64 Is this it? I think this is it. Da, 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 da. I am correcto mundo. The 64 gets the... Okay. So it starts with ink 64, random, space, loop. And let's see what happens. Okay, I see the difference. One is everyone gets the same color, and the other one, what I did wrong, but I didn't check the tutorial well. It puts all the letters in different colors. Let's go F5. Let me put loop. Too much. What is it? Ink random 64 and F5. Yes. Wait, why did please sub to create gaming? Pretty please. Okay, so F5 again. Okay, that's dope. Now we've brought the color line into the loop. Can you predict what will happen? This way, Nintendo's Switch will read the random color again and again as the loop goes around. Let's say we want it every time. Let's say we want it on one set of colors for Hello Nintendo and another set for colors for What About Me. It'll be loop, ink, fuse pink, print hello. Okay, I see. Ink, fuse blue, What About Me, update, repeat. So let's try that. Let's go F1. Can I not go all the way down? Yes, there we go. Okay, so let's loop. Hey, Kilikiko Joe Hodge, or Hodge Joe. I'm sorry if I butchered that. I apologize for the butchering. But hey, what's up, Hodge? Loop. God damn it. Should loop had come first? I think it was loop, ink, blah 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 blah. Blue. I like how blue is green. I hope it's not out of. What was it? Phase blue or what? God damn it. It's not what I wanted. Ink. Blue. Oh yeah. Home blue. Sub to Creole. What am I doing? God damn, I gotta gather my thoughts. It's hard to like go off into the chat and then just come right back. God damn it. There it is. I got it. Print. Sub to Criollo Gaming. Let's see if that's correct. Nope, it's not. Oh, okay, wait. Of course, I'm a fucking idiot. Because I have to put update. I just read how it's a sandwich. It has to be update and repeat. Now I can check it. Okay, so I got it. I don't have to be specific on what kind of blue it is. So then I want a ink, pink, ink, pink, print, sub to me now. Let's make it angry. Update, repeat. F5. Okay, I'm getting used to this like basic programming. The fundamentals, the beginnings, the basics, the fundamentals. Okay, so I have to go F1 back, which is, of course, it's not there anymore. Okay, loops, enter. Brackets, this is random. Okay, in the example above, line 2 sets a color for the print function on line 4. Then line 4 sets a different color for the print function on line 5. If we want something to affect the specific line, we must put the instructions before the chosen line. Finally, let's change the size of our text with the text size. Okay, so it's text size 100, loop ink, fuzz pink, fuse pink. Is it the same? Or is fuse necessary? I thought it was a specific, but now I see it's just fuse, the name of the program, pink. Ink, hello Nintendo, ink, fuse blue, print, what about me, update, repeat. Okay, so text size have to come first this time. Text, wow. Okay, it's just written. I think only print has commas, and so that are necessary. With text size 100, we start with loop. Print sub to let's put some space in there. Sub to criollo. Let's close it off. Oh no, wait. Did I have to put color in it? Yes, I did. Fuse pink and fuse blue. So that has to come first. Ink, fuse blue, print, there we go. It's looking for you. Print sub to criollo. Oh yeah, it's good. Ink, fuse pink, print come on. Pretty please. Gawk squad. Print, update, repeat. I think I killed it. Sub to Criollo Gok Squad. uh, why is it's always like stuck to it? Doesn't matter. It's fine. Well, that was successful. Text size allows us, but why is text size above loop? I would think it would be a little above. I don't know. I just want to see what happens. I don't want to really mess with it, but I want to see what happens. Anyway, I'll do that later. Oh, my knee is hitting the Krikiko Q Limited. A Q Limited P. I never could say it, Jamie, goddammit. Allows us to set the size of text in pixels. With text size, the maximum height for your letters will be 100 pixels tall. God damn it! Every single time. Oh, is that it? Okay. Congratulations, you've written the best program ever. Aw, it's all downhill from here. God damn it. Oh, that's not reassuring. I actually kind of felt good that, I kind of got the vibe of it. And I was like, oh, it's all fucked now. Functions and keywords used in this tutorial was ink, loop, print, repeat, sleep, text size, update. Well, I can program, I can actually kind of program text now, so that's kind of cool. It's not much, but hey, it's cool. Okay, so let's go to the next tutorial. Nope, it's not what I asked you to do. I go to the space sometimes. See, I can't even move. Okay, there we go. Loops tutorial. We did everything in loops. Variables. Variables are another of the most important parts of programming. What are they? Well, put very simply, variables is a label. A label if you create your store piece. Let me put my microphone here because I'm pretty much kicking it. Sorry for the loud noise. What are they? Well, they put very simple. Variables is a label. A label you create to store a piece of information. Why do we need labels? Well, imagine you're trying to find a needle in a haystack. Quite the challenge, right? I love how quirky they are. Yeah, it would be quite difficult. I would imagine. I never tried it, but hey, I mean, the expression have to come from somewhere, so someone did. God knows why, but hey, quite a challenge, right? Not if we have a nice big signpost telling us exactly where to find it. I think it would still be hard. But anyway, the main reason why we use variables is that they allow us to change and manipulate things in a program. Almost every single game uses variables all the time to keep track of everything from a score to health to stats to screen positions to controller buttons and so on. Let's get started. I hope you like sweets. Type the code above into Fuze Nintendo Switch code and press run the program. Okay. It's F1. Out of this, we delete all our text-based shit. I'm glad if anyone's watching. This is LaTeX again. My first time like testing out programming. So it's gonna be a stress, but also a trip. Sweets is tree. Is this it? Sweets is tree. Okay. And F5. Nothing happened. Okay. Nothing will happen at all. In fact, you'll be taken instantly back to editor. However, in the computer brain, we have taken the number 3 and stored it in a place called sweets. I had to go back and like read what it said because like, I thought something amazing was gonna happen. Type the code above, blah blah blah. However, nothing will happen. In fact, it would instantly be taken back to editor. However, in the computer brain, we have taken the number 3 and stored it in a place called sweets. Now, change your program so that it looks like the one below. Sweets 3, print sweets, update sleep 2. Okay, so sweets, print, update sleep. Print sub to criollo. Sweet print update. Yeah, update sleep. Because we're not using loop and repeat, is sleep. And we put it 2 seconds. Let's put it a little longer. No, let's put it 2. Let's keep to the class pretty much. I guess that's it. F5 sub to criollo. Okay. It shows now, but not that it's stored. All we are doing is instructing Fuze to print the content of the sweets variable on the screen. You should see the number 3 appear. Fuze is finding the information labeled as sweets and printing whatever it finds. Wait, did it do sweets? Yeah, I did on. Oh wait, I think I needed to do okay, 2 seconds. Yeah, I do sweets. Let me do sweets for a second. Let's move this up to criollo. Print sweets update sleep 2 and F5. You see? It only did sweets. Oh wait, yeah, it did sweets. No tree? I don't get it. Escape. Type the code or blah. All we are doing is instructing Fuze to print the content of the sweets variable on screen. You should see the number 3 appear. You should see the. Why did I not see the tree though? There was no tree. All we're doing. Is instructing Fuze to print the contents of the suites variable on the screen. You should see the number tree appear. Fuze is finding the information labeled as suites and printing whatever it finds. But that did not happen though. Crap. Did I go too much? No, well, I get the gist of it, but I get it now. I think I fucked it up with the sub to clear thing. Let's go back to the tutorial. Actually, okay. Says loops. Yes, this is loops. Enter. We can store anything in a variable. The code below will also work. Sweets is delicious. Oh, did I have to put a? No, this is different. Okay, sweets, comma, delicious. Print sweets, update sleep 2. So let's do that real quick. Let me see something real. Okay, yeah, it stays print sweets. Prints delicious. Print sweets update F5. Okay, so it does stay on sweets. So if I put delicious, I do not understand what happened, but I fucked something. Sweets is tree. I don't think I can do it anymore. Maybe I can't do it anymore because I fucked it. But let's start. Sweets is tree. Okay. Sweets tree, print sweets, update, sleep 2. I get it. Look, because I put sweets. Every time I put sweets, the number 2 will appear because it would associate itself with the number 3. Same with delicious. If I put sweets is delicious. If I put print sweets, it will associate itself with delicious. So delicious will show up. I think that's the point of it. Let's put. But I do not know if I already fucked it. Sweets history. print, I think it was next. Sweets. Maybe this is why. Maybe because I forgot this. But sweets. Let's try it. Because all print needs that. So sweets. Let's close it off. It was update, because update always stays apparently, and sleep 2. F5. I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe 3 needs to be like this. Or did I don't know what is. Or maybe I don't need. I don't know. I legit don't know what's wrong. I get it. I get the point of it, but I don't know what I'm doing wrong exactly. It's probably something very small I did not notice. Okay, so there's no. Maybe that's why. I see. Maybe I did it without this. Let's see if this works. And F5. There we go. Oh, hallelujah. I figured it out. Then sweets is 3. I mean, I can do the same. Why does delicious get delicious? And now it should work. Okay, I found it. Let's go back to the tutorial. I don't know how much I'm gonna clear today, but it doesn't matter. I don't know how long I'm streaming at the moment. 1 hour and 10. Actually, that's not bad. Oh, my bad. Should really lock this shit down. There we go. So yeah, let's go on with coding or whatever, programming. I was already on F1. Sweet delicious. This time through, we'll get the word delicious instead. Though we get the word in delicious instead of the number 3. Makes sense. Great. Let's make a little more complicated. We're using a couple of new very important things. Change your code into Fuze Nintendo Editor so it will look like the program below, and run it. It should count down our sweets until we have none left. Oh my god, this is so much more. Sweets, wild sweets, loop, 0 loop, clear, blank, print, I have sweets in my bag. If I eat one, then update, sleep. I have no sweets left. Oh no. Ugh, okay, this is gonna be a difficult one. Let me just get some of that in my head. And if I need to just look at the coding. Clear black. What does clear do? Anyway. Oh, okay, clear as in to remove it? No. Okay. Let's do this. Let's remove. There we go. Sweets is 3, while sweets loop. Okay, I'm curious. I'm gonna do 3 at a time. Sweets is 3. I wish I could keep looking at it, though I don't have to keep going on F1. Is 3. Wild sweets. What is wild? Sweets equal 0? Not equal, but you get what I mean. Sweets equals 3. Wild sweets less than 0. I think that's it. Not sure. Wild sweets 0 loop. Okay. 0 loop. Clear black. I know. I believe it's like this. Black. Why does it keep coming off? God damn it. Print. I have sweets in my bag. Oh, so I think that white sweets is what gonna turn into a tree. So it will read, I have 3 sweets in my bag. If I eat one, then I have no sweets left. Oh no. I think I can pull this off. Okay, I think I understand it. I have print. I have 3 sweets in my bag. It's when I just had a brain fart where when you think something and then you say it, or you think something and you type it out. Because I'm trying to keep the words in my head, just joggle them around with my goldfish memory. Print. Does it show which button I'm pressing? No, it doesn't. Only if I move with the, yeah. This is me moving with the Wiimote. Wiimote. Wow. Brain farts. With the Joy-Con. Move that because that's mad annoying. I have sweets. I have sweets. Comma. Where is you? Nope. Oh, there you are. No, god damn it. Sweets. How am I not hitting? Jesus. Sweets. I have sweets in my bag. Sweets in my bag. And I think it ends with normally. This time I moved it because I am a dum-dum. Yeah, it just. Oh no, there's a dot. No, that's just the sentence. So I don't think that really matters, but you know, let's do good grammar. Man, this is a lot of taken. If I eat one, okay. It's in my bag. Print. If no, if no, if why is if? Oh, okay, it's gonna change when I end the sentence, so it doesn't matter. If I eat one, dot dot dot. God damn it, every freaking time. Niet normal, hè. Variable. Then, okay, yeah. Then dot dot dot. Three dots, whatever. And then see, I think I forgot something here. Man, I can't get sloppy with the. No, it does definitely have. At least I noticed it. If I on then. Okay, so this is the part where I do not understand. I don't understand, but sweets minus. Is it a minus or underscore? It's minus. Sweets minus 1. Minus is 1 equals 1. Okay. Sweets. Sweets. Yeah. Minus first. Okay. Minus equals. I'm curious how this is gonna end up looking. My god. What is wrong with this? I am absolutely hitting the button. I am. Why is book coming out plus? What? What is happening? No, it's not going. It's not working. My shift is not working. What the fuck? What the fuck? Why is it not going? I refuse to have such a great keyboard and my shift is not working. What the fuck is happening? No, it's not doing it. Is it because the Switch? I swear to God. Fucking Joy-Cons. No, it's not working. Why is it showing? I don't get it. I really don't get it. Is that why? Is caps lock? Is it the reason why? I don't know. Nope, still not working. How the hell did I do that already? I don't know. I'm forced to use the Joy-Cons now. God damn it. I don't know what's up. I don't know why it did that or why it's doing this, but there's one. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. There's no reason for this not to work. This is why I prefer the keyboard. But I don't know why that's chirping now, so I don't know. Well, whatever. Just to save. Hope it auto saves in case a crash happen or something. I don't know. I'm expecting the worst. Okay. I don't know. I'm super upset because of this. Update. We can do update. Update sleep 1. So just update. Sleep. Why? Sleep. I think it's stuck on shift somewhere. Because it shows shift here. Is that it? Is that my reason? It automatically somehow press. I swear to God, if it doesn't come out 1. Oh, you fucker. I hate these Joy-Cons. I really do. Expensive ass toys. What was it? Sleep 1 or sleep 2? Sleep 3. Okay. No. Escape. Oh, this took way too long. Sleep 1. Okay. And repeat. Wait, wouldn't that stop at I have no sweets left? Oh no. Stop and the other part won't come out? Okay, update sleep 1. Repeat. Repeat. I think I'm getting sleepy because shit is going. Why? I think my keyboard is getting sleepy. Again, it's just stuck on caps lock. Where the fuck is caps lock on this keyboard? Yeah, just fucking hide keyboard. I don't need to see it. There we go. It's gonna pop right back up. Why is it in caps lock? I hope it doesn't. Okay, so it counts it down. Oh, I don't think I did something good. I think I fucked up somewhere. Okay, maybe I did it good. But shouldn't it repeat? Oh no, it sleeps. I'll see how it goes. Let's see. I don't know why it's tripping, but update repeat print. I have no sweets left. Dot dot dot. Oh no. Why does it keep getting stuck on shift? What the fuck? I'm not even touching the Joy-Cons. That's the worst part. Print. There we go. I think I figured it out. Why does it keep doing that? I don't press escape. I thought it was me fucking with it, but it's not. Escape? Fuck. Okay. Oof. Okay. Tutorials. Yeah, I'm getting sleepy, bro. I think after variables, I'm gonna call it a night. I don't think there's much left. I have no sweets left. Dot dot dot. Oh no. Let's try to do this as fast and as good as possible, cause you can't be sloppy with coding. Yeah, let's do F1. I have no sweets. Wait, did it write sweeties? I have sweets. God damn it. It makes sense grammatically? Oh no. Sweets left. I don't know why it has to come off every time. I'm just pressing F1. Maybe if I go back, I don't have to press F1. Maybe that's the reason. But I have to find a way that's easier for me to go from help to what I'm programming. Oh no. Dot. And close it off. Nope, escape is not the one I need either. Anyway, oh no. Vent. Close it off. Variables. Update sleep. update and sleep 2, I think it was. Let me double check that real quick. Okay, F1, F5, and nope, I fucked something up. I really fucked something up, didn't I? Oh no. It's not allowing me to go back. Well, I broke it. So much for finishing. Escape, maybe? Oh wait, there was a button to go back to lobby. Let's see if my F... Nope. Only the autosave works. Okay, so I did something awfully wrong and I pretty much sank the game or the program or whatever. I'm fine. You better be here. Will I? Oh wait, there it is. Ah, that is pretty cool. And if I eat one, then I have no sweets left. Oh no, that is pretty cool. I did that. That's fucking awesome. But does the countdown have to show up? Because it's right after sweets. I think I did it right. I have sweets in my bag. If I eat one, then I have no sweets left. That is pretty fucking cool. I think it was just a program just fucking collapsed. Go on with variables. This is a pretty cool one. I need to screenshot this one. This is a hard one to remember. First thing first, we have a brand new function here, clear. It's used to clear the screen with a color. Try putting a different color in the bracket. Notice that on line 3 we have the variable name sweets between commas, not as part of the text. If you were to say print sweets, we should get the word sweets. See the speech marks in the bracket? Wait, let's do the first thing first. Rest in peace, Uncle Phil. We have a brand new function here, clear, with a color. Try putting a different color. Let's try that. I think somewhere I did something wrong. I don't think the sweets in the middle had to show. Pink. Let's see. Oh, it makes a background pink? Does that make sense? Nope. It just has to be a color. Did I already do pink yet? Green. That kind of does not make sense of what I did. Something somewhere I fucked up. Sweets equals 3 while sweets loop clear black green whatever print I have sweets in my bag. See, I think I did everything there that I needed to. I don't understand. Oh, I have sweets. Oh, I see what I did wrong. I saw what I did wrong. That's why it showed double sweets. Okay, I saw what I did. I have extra sweets in the F1. Now it's good. Now. No, what does it still show? No, I still fucked up. Huh. I don't know what it is. It's something else. Print. I have sweets in my bag. It should be good now. Is the number is it supposed to show the countdown? I have sweets. Close it off. Start again. Sweets in my bag. No, it's correct. This is how it's supposed to be. Or should I have a space between? Maybe? No, that did not make much of a difference. I see what the loop repeat did. It kept the text there and not disappear. Anyway, let's go on with this lesson. Because we have like 100 more to go. Not for today though. I'll be damned. We have brand new function here. Clear is used to clear the screen with a color. Oh yeah, let's fuck with clear. Right now it's green. Yellow. Oh, that's painful. That made me blind. Let's put it back to black. Okay. So just background then? Notice that on why again? I have to make this smaller. There we go. First thing, brand new. Notice that clear the different color in the brackets. Notice that on line 3 we have a variable named sweets between commas. Not as a part of text. If you were to say print sweets, you would get the word sweets. See the speech marks in the bracket. Remember that when we say print sweets with no speech marks, we get the contents of the variable. Let's talk about the new thing we have introduced here. The first one is a new different type of loop called while loop. This while loop repeats as long as the sweets variable has a value greater than the 0 sweets than 0. As long as the sweets variable has a value greater than. For our while loop to actually stop and move on with the program, we must reduce the value of the sweets variable to 0. The next tricky part is line 6. Line 6 was what again? Sweets. Okay, yeah. That was the part I did not understand, where it fits in with this whole what do you say, coding? Sweets with no speech marks, blah blah. I read all that. Minus equals and plus equals. The line of code which reduce the value of sweets variable is line 6. Sweets minus equals 1. The sign after sweets is called minus equals. We're going to see the sign a lot as we move forward, so let's do our best to understand them. Minus equals means we are subtracting from the value stored in the variable. Plus equals or plus equals is adding to the value. Really, line 6 actually reads sweet is sweet minus 1. This means we define the sweets variable to the equal to whatever is currently in the sweets variable minus 1. Using minus equals and plus equals helps us save a lot of time because we don't need to write every variable name twice. Still with us? Nope. Awesome. Nah. Alright, let me read that to myself because I need to understand this shit. Sweet variable to the equals to whatever is on. No, I don't really get it completely. Define the sweets variable to the equal to whatever. Okay, so I had what? Minus minus 1. So that means it's gonna reach 0, then it moves on. So it doesn't loop until it will keep looping until it reaches the minus equals to 1, which is 0, of course. And then the second that stops the loop. If I think I'm correct. I don't know. That is what I think I got out of it. This means you find the sweets variable to the equals to whatever is currently in the sweets variable minus 1. It helps us save on because we don't need to write every variable name twice. Still with us? Awesome. Using variables becomes second nature eventually. I hope so, but it can be a bit strange to get used to it at first. It is very fucking strange. But I think I got it. I'm not sure. Awesome. Yeah, try to rewrite the program so that instead of taking sweets away, you begin with 0 sweets and gain them as the loop. You should change the while loop to so the program stops when you reach a certain number of sweets. Ah, okay. Because I have one sweet in the text. Did that subtract that from my while sweet? Man, man, this is a lot. This is much. The sign after sweets is called minus equal. Terminate the program instead of taking sweets away. You begin. Okay, that is it. I have to sleep on that one because that is a tricky one. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, for joining. Actually, this is something completely different. I never programmed before. I wanna like go ahead. I wanna actually like show like some progress maybe in the future. Maybe like make a little, small, super small game. That's the goal, I think. Uh, After going through this a bit, I kind of understand a little bit. It's some of it is like the minus equals and plus equals is still kind of super gibberish to me. I think I understand it, but again, it's like I just have to use it and see how it flows with the coding. Uh, to actually see if it makes sense, like how I noticed my mistake with the too many sweets in the text. Something didn't quite fit, and I needed to figure out what it was. Actually, this is very kind of helpful. I don't know. It's not like completely useless, and I'm not completely running around like a chicken without a head. I'm actually understanding some things and kind of understanding the structures. Uh, but we'll see. We'll see. Maybe in a week, I wanna see where I actually kind of am with this if I get the chance to then. Uh, but I'm gonna go off and go ahead and just wish me luck and thank you, Q Limit and Hudge Joe for joining uh, this kind of late night stream for me and not so late for them. Uh, it's something kind of different. It's kind of low energy because it's super late. I can't really talk that loud. I can't project. Um, but I hope this is something that I will revisit in the future because I'm definitely going ahead with this. I kind of want to learn it now. I'm already 2 in, and we have 30 more. Uh, I think I'm gonna skip drawing images because I can't draw for shit. It's gonna be terrible. It's gonna be bad. I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna skim through it, but we'll see when I get there. A very long way from there. Uh, but anyway, that was it for me, and later, guys. Thank you.